Hello, Vietnamese sellers. I'm Thatcher Spring, founder and CEO of GearLaunch, and I've been in the print-on-demand industry for more than a decade. Over the course of my time in this industry, I've noticed there are 10 key questions that are always asked by new sellers getting started. Today, I'm going to answer those questions for you to help you get started yourself. Print-on-demand is a great retail opportunity on the web through which you can upload art onto any product, put the product in front of likely buyers, and when someone purchases it, the network of fulfillers behind the print-on-demand company will print and ship the product for you. No risk, no inventory, no upfront cost, just super easy. One of the greatest things about print-on-demand is that you never need to buy inventory up front. In fact, all you have to do is simply sell your product, and in the background, our network will print and ship for you. Absolutely, there are no design skills needed whatsoever. There are many tools out there on the web and a lot of different places to gather inspiration from. And as you grow your business, you can always hire a design team later on. To make yourself lots of money with POD, you simply set a price for your product which is higher than your platform cost, and you sell and you keep the difference. There are no hidden fees, no transaction fees, nothing. You might find fees on other platforms, but not with GearLaunch. If you're just getting started, I would highly recommend that you start with a platform that is beginner-friendly, but also built for scale. And as someone who's been in this industry for more than 10 years, I can tell you there are 3 things you must pay attention to. One is product quality, because your reputation depends on it. 2 is fulfillment speed, because long fulfillment times will kill your customer relationships. And 3 is support, because you need a team and a service that's going to be there with you every step of the way as you scale. At GearLaunch, we've built our business around these 3 principles so that you can be successful with us. You do not have to run ads right away. There are so many organic ways to get your products out there, from social media posts to collaborating with influencers, to posting your designs on major marketplaces. Ads can be helpful in scaling when you're ready, but for now I would recommend focusing on building a community, gaining a loyal following, and learning more about your market before you enter the ad space. One of the greatest things about the GearLaunch platform is our customer service team is brilliant, and they act as an extension of your business so that you never have to worry about customer inquiries such as where's my order, or I'd like to change the size of a product that I purchased, because our team reaches out to your customers and solves their problems immediately, keeping them happy and keeping them coming back to keep buying from your store. People classically think of POD as apparel only, but the reality is that the possibilities are endless. There's home decor, there's wall art, there's even things like dog leashes and dog collars. And one of the things you'll find with GearLaunch is that we have one of the biggest catalogs available for print-on-demand, and our mission is to continue expanding that catalog to give you new opportunities to sell brand new, differentiated things all the time. Yes, you can. POD can either be a side hustle or it can be a huge business. In fact, we've had many GearLaunch sellers build their businesses to 5 and 6 figures a month, but it takes consistent focus on your part. And if you invest enough time and effort, you can definitely reach your goals, and our team will be here to support you every step of the way. Starting a POD store with GearLaunch is incredibly affordable. There's no inventory costs, no platform fees, no hidden fees of any kind. The only small expense you'll incur is buying your domain name, which will serve as your brand on the web. We also offer a free training course which will help you step by step to scale your business so that you're fully equipped to be as successful as possible. Leave everything else to GearLaunch and you focus on just selling your designs. Niches like pets, hobbies, and professions are evergreen, but one thing I would say is you should research something you're passionate about, learn it very well, and focus there so that you understand the customers in that segment as well as possible. I would recommend you not do that because it violates our terms of service and it's also against copyright and trademark law. I would focus on your own creativity and finding designs that resonate with your audience in an authentic way. The most common mistakes new POD sellers make are number one, trying to go too broad, trying to sell everything to everyone, which doesn't allow for enough focus. Number two, wanting to be successful immediately and not having enough patience to choose the designs that are going to scale most efficiently. And number three is stealing designs from other sellers or violating copyright and trademark law, which will get your account suspended. To make my first 500 in profit, I would focus really intently on deeply understanding a niche that I want to market to and creating designs that resonate with that audience and that communicate to them in a voice that makes sense to them. Second, I would focus on getting started as fast as possible, and testing beats perfection, so starting with 5 to 10 designs is enough to get going. You'll get some feedback on how those designs are resonating with that audience. And lastly, focus on marketing with organic traffic and other ways to drive eyeballs to your product, and then getting to things like paid ads and optimizing SEO later on. Okay, now that you understand what POD is all about and how easy it is to make money, what are you waiting for? Sign up for your very first store today. With GearLaunch, you get access to one of the largest global print-on-demand product catalogs with some of the best customer support, and also maintain the ability to brand yourself on your own custom domain. Have you ever met anyone who doesn't wear a t-shirt? Probably not. That's why print-on-demand is one of the best opportunities for making money online. From printed apparel to all the things that people use around their homes, there are infinite possibilities about products that you can create and sell. While there's a lot of competition in print-on-demand, the market is huge. Globally, it's more than a $40 billion opportunity, and your competitive advantage within the market will be knowing your audience and consistently making designs that resonate with that audience. The more that you research and the more that you know what people are looking for within your target niche, the more successful you're going to be. GearLaunch offers one of the largest product catalogs in the world for print-on-demand. It also offers some of the best support you'll find anywhere, so you'll always have someone right by your side as you scale your business. And lastly, GearLaunch has great marketing tools that'll help you get going and help you do as well as you can possibly do with your store. And GearLaunch has some fantastic built-in marketing tools that will help promote your brand effectively and scale your business easily. Much of the product that gets sold through GearLaunch is printed and shipped from our own company-owned facilities. To the extent that we use third parties globally or for other product categories that we don't support internally, we maintain very strict quality standards with those partners so that they always prioritize GearLaunch orders and that they don't have many mistakes. This keeps your customers happy and it keeps your business thriving. GearLaunch's primary mission is to help you build your brand. The platform serves as a behind-the-scenes support infrastructure to put you first. Our team is also here and available for you as a second set of hands and as a thought partner as you grow your company. GearLaunch's vision for the future includes continually expanding our product catalog and also providing you with more ways to customize that catalog to resonate with your end consumers. The product catalog will get bigger to allow you to sell more things to more people, and the decorating methods will improve to include things like embroidery and laser etching, and the ability for buyers to more adequately change the designs to suit their interests.